In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clockify with Asana. By the end, you'll be able to start and stop a timer right inside Asana and have your time entries automatically saved to Clockify with the correct task context. First, make sure you have the Clockify Chrome extension installed. It's the small add-on that connects Clockify to websites you use, including Asana, so the timer button can appear where you work. Once the extension is in your browser, log into your Clockify account so the extension can sync with your workspace. If you're not signed in, the button won't show up in Asana. Next, open Asana in your browser and navigate to any task. Give the page a second to load. You should now see a start timer button from Clockify right inside the task view. If it doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page, confirming you're logged into Clockify in the extension, and ensuring the extension is enabled for your browser profile. After that quick check, the timer button should be visible. Now let's track time directly from Asana. Open the task you want to work on so you're viewing its details. Click Start Timer. Clockify begins tracking in real time and you can get right to work without leaving Asana. While the timer is running, keep your focus on the task at hand. Everything you need for accurate time tracking is happening in the background. When you're done, return to the task and click Stop. That's it. Your time entry is automatically saved in Clockify. The entry includes the task title and a link back to the task in Asana, which makes it easy to review what you worked on later. You can head to Clockify afterward to see your entries in the timesheet or reports, categorize them further if you need to, and make any small edits like adding a description. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you switch tasks, stop the current timer and start a new one on the next task to keep your records clean. If the timer seems out of sync, a simple browser refresh usually resolves it. And if you manage multiple Clockify workspaces, confirm you're logged into the correct one before starting your day, so entries land in the right place. That's the full setup and workflow. Install the Clockify Chrome extension, log in, open an Asana task, start the timer, do your work, and stop when you're finished. Your time will be right where you need it in Clockify, ready for review and reporting.